In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature for free. Gmail and Outlook. A clean, consistent signature makes every message look professional, and you don't need paid software to get it done. You can build one using the tools already inside your email app, or even easier, use a free signature generator that handles the layout for you. Generators take care of spacing, fonts, and alignment, so you don't have to wrestle with messy formatting that changes from one email client to another. The results work great in both Gmail and Outlook. Two reliable options are the free generators from HubSpot and mailsignatures.com. Most templates in these tools are genuinely free and don't add watermarks on the designs you'll likely use. Open either site, pick a template that fits your brand or personal style, and you'll see a live preview as you customize. Enter the essentials only: your name, job title, company, website, and the social links you actually maintain. Keep it concise. A signature should inform, not overwhelm. Avoid long quotes or multiple banners, which can distract and sometimes trigger spam filters. Stick to one readable font, a couple of brand colors, and clear spacing so it looks good on desktop and mobile. If you want to include a headshot or logo, here's a key tip to make sure it displays for everyone. Host the image at a public URL. A shared, viewable link on a cloud drive like Google Drive or Dropbox works well. Set the file so anyone with the link can view. Then use that link in the generator. Avoid images that require a login or are stored locally, because many email apps will block them. Use a small, optimized file so emails load quickly and look sharp. When the preview looks right, click Copy Signature in the generator. That puts the fully formatted design on your clipboard. Now, let's add it to Gmail. Open Gmail, click the gear icon, then see All Settings. In the General tab, scroll to the Signature section. Click the plus icon to create new, and give your signature a simple name, so it's easy to find later. In the editor box, paste the signature you copied from the generator. Make only light tweaks here, so you don't break the layout. This part is crucial. Under Signature Defaults, select your new signature for both for new emails and on reply/forward. That way, it appears automatically whether you're composing or replying. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. You'll see the signature applied the next time you compose. That's it. Your professional signature is live, and the same copied design can be used in Outlook as well. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.